Hello everybody, welcome back to as well. We have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete Telegram files on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for the matter, we will first access our Telegram app. So let's say we have received some files, some video, picture files, jpg files, whatever files from a person. So let's go ahead, search a username, and let's say we did receive this particular video, right? So we can tap on this three-dot icon on top and tap on the save video, and now we have saved that video to our photos, right? This is the simple way would be simply for you to access your photos and go to this recents and tap on a particular video of yours and tap on this delete icon given below right corner, and again tap on delete video, and now that particular video is deleted from your gallery. That's how you can simply remove all of the downloaded files, photo files, video files from your Telegram. And if that doesn't work as well, you can go to your settings and you can simply go ahead, go to this option called general, and go to this option called iPhone storage, and here in this section you're gonna go ahead and find your particular Telegram app over here, and you can choose to offload as well. You can simply go ahead, offload your app as well, and then that will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.